So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Algorand, ticker symbol ALGO on Kraken. So once Kraken's opened up, go to the bottom right, press on the purple buy crypto button. In the search bar, type in a ticker symbol ALGO for Algorand, then press on that. Once you're here typing the amount that you're looking to buy, so I'll do $20 as an example, and then I'll proceed by pressing on the purple arrow. On this page right here, you can confirm the amount, the price, the fee, and the total that you're willing to pay, or that you would be paying here. And if all looks good, you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press on confirm, and proceed that way with the transaction if you wish. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can buy Algorand, ticker symbol ALGO on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.